Today we have affirmations to feel empowered. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay to the end for our motivational quote. I am empowered. I can take control. I own my personal power. People respect my strength. Every day I feel stronger. Today I use my strengths. I am in charge. I empower myself daily. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.